The 2023 China Internet Civilization Conference was held in the city of Xiamen in East China's Fujian province from Tuesday to Wednesday. On a forum held to discuss exchanges among Internet civilizations, many attendees spoke highly of the great progress China has made in digital development, believing that China can play a key role in shaping an increasingly digital world.
I've been surprised how fast Chinese internet has developed. Today, I think we have the best internet in the world. For example, I tell my friends that Chinese 30 years ago had no money. Today, they still have no money because we use the phone to pay for everything. So China, in every respect, as far as the internet is concerned, and actually many other areas, China has leaped far ahead of the rest of the world.
Products like China's gaming companies, the internet companies, the online shopping platforms, Chinese EV electric cars. This is what actually attract most foreign generations to China. And this is a big change happening, I think. During my 20 years here in China, I see that the global young youth is perceiving China differently in this now. And it's actually interesting because China has actually built up and is the pioneer in the digital infrastructure now. I think China can add a lot to the next 10 years of the Belt and Road, where it can actually help with the digital infrastructure for the young generation globally.
In recent years, China has also been at the forefront of advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence and 5G. Furthermore, China's internet development extends beyond its borders with initiatives such as the Belt and Road Initiative. Through Belt and Road Initiative, China aims to enhance connectivity and digital infrastructure across countries, fostering international cooperation and expanding its influence in the global digital economy. China will undoubtedly remain a key player, contributing to the shaping of our increasingly digital world.